Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I was using this hammer, obviously. Finally found my proper one back, so I can use it proper. And I found my chisel, if it's needed. Anyway, today we're going to be focusing on these again, the CPU slots. I just want to show you that they're definitely worth it, and show you the how many you can do in such a short amount of time. Obviously I don't normally upload videos this early. I normally do once every week, but this is just a bonus video. So basically we're just going to be doing, I picked a few boards out which had them on. I've removed both of them. This is virtually all my boards I've got left which actually has things on. So as you can see, I've got loads I've literally just removed. So anyway, we'll just do this lot and then we'll weigh it up, see how many how much it weighs, and then we'll look at the yields, how much roughly they should yield, and then see how long it takes. It's really hard to set up this camera. There we go. Right, so I got an empty pot just to show I'm not starting with anything to cheat. Right, so we're starting on 1 minute 33. There we go. Of course, there's also solder you can collect. The solder that comes off the bottom you can save up if you want. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, please go back and watch it, and I sort of explained these things, explained the rough yields, and talked about what also comes off whilst you're doing it. I do need to get a table to put this big board on, because it's not easy with it moving about. I'm not rushing doing this, because if you rush, you just end up cutting yourself. So the ones at an angle like this is hard to fit into the box. I hope you can see on the camera, otherwise this will be a wasted video. Just don't even fit. I'm also going to remove the ones like that, because it's the same. The pins in these are probably actually better. It's a little bit harder to remove, but as you can see all the gold pins in there. When you have things like that, I don't bother removing the metal from the outside. I literally just go underneath. It's easier. If you don't understand what I'm doing, check out yesterday's video. You'll understand it a bit more. Sometimes they break up. It's very rare, but it happens. Board's a little bit burnt, don't know why. So as you can see, it's really simple today. A lot of people told me from the last video they didn't even know the CPUs had gold in it. So glad they now know. These are very little gold in them. Now that's them all. Finished all the boards. That was real time, by the way, so that took about 10 minutes. If you wanted to, you could sort through the MLCCs in there, which I'm not going to bother. So that's the that's what I was left with. I just pile them on. My scale's only got to 100 grams, so there's 100 grams. And then we'll add some more to the next lot. That's 136 grams off them in 10 minutes. So in an hour, you should get about 800 grams, about a kilo. Because I obviously spoke to the video a few times, I should have probably done a kilo in an hour. So, I've heard that they yield about 1 gram per kilo, but I've got no proof for that, as they are in the plastic. I'm going to do another video soon, but that won't be for another couple of weeks, where I burn all these, also with my other ones I've got. I burn them all together, and I'll show you how to get the pins out, just from burning without having to remove each one separate. Thanks for watching my video, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, as I'm trying to get 150 subscribers by the end of the year, which would be great if I could. Don't forget to watch yesterday's video, and also I'm going to bring out another video Wednesday as another bonus video, because I got a lot to show. Thank you, bye bye.